New case. Woo! Alright guys, hopefully my audio is better today. Got myself hooked up with a mic. Got a good crew. We're here at Freedom Farm track. Good turnout. The dirt is amazing today. Beautiful day, beautiful November day. Good crew, good crew. Kids track's over there. We'll jump on the big track here. We'll follow Bubba a little bit if we can. Double, like with extension. You can crank that thing, boy. It's a big double here, but Bubba just wheelie through. Crazy doubles through here. Oh, Bubba's going for it. Oh man, I can't do it. I'm too scared. I just gotta wheelie a little bit. Some chicken poop. Little table here. Motocross. It's a fun corner to drop off. Woo! So we can try to catch up with a Bubba. Double double. It's crazy. It's like the sand section. This is pretty cool here. Got a little sideways on that. Woo, scared me. There's a huge step up here. Oh, Bubba, jeez. I don't do it. I'm too scared. He makes it look easy. I don't know what I'm supposed to do there. I gotta figure that out still. Oh, this big table coming up. Not table, big double. That's fun. Look at this big table. I haven't got that one either, but full turn. Nice little double there. Oh, a couple rocks, but that's okay. Whoa! Big bowl turn here. I don't do good as Bubba, but still fun for a track. Like 10 minutes from my house. Ooh, these things are scary. I'm trying to. Yeah, what are you gonna do? I wanted to double the last one out, but I think I gotta go way faster. Pretty cool track though. Got some arm pump already. Ah! Sucks. That was better that time. No way. I'm too scared. Keep him safe. Here he goes. Over. Little brake tap in there. Looking good. Good old Liberty jump. It's sketchy. Look at that thing. Huge double. But, I mean, it's doable. Like, these guys make it look easy. That was pretty crazy. That dude is ripping, boy. Shoo. That's all I do. I think here comes Bubba. Here he comes. That was pretty sick. We gotta figure this out up here. What's Bubba doing? He's not like just dropping into it. Oh, that hurts though. Ooh, it kicked me sideways a little bit. Ooh, there's another axe in that corner. More speed. Oh, Bubba roosted me. Nope. Take the outside this time. Whoa. Oh. It's a pretty cool spot. This is like the sand section here. And then there's double right over here with another little single. That guy's a nut job. Ooh, no case. Ooh. Nut job. Scared the poop right out of me. There he goes. Phew. Alright guys, back here at the Freedom Farm. Want to show you guys the kids track. It's pretty cool. Definitely friendly for the beginners, little guys. There's a little guy. What's up, dude? I don't think this is how you get on here, but I'll show you the track. Big sweeping bowl. So, oh, that's where you come on. You come on right here. Little parent hangout area. Nice and chill. Wide, hard packed. Really no sand. Helps the little guys so they don't get all wobbly and tip over. Little mud section. Definitely chill. Oh, that's not so chill. Ooh, that's alright. Help you get a better rider, right? You gotta learn to ride the mud. Fun little table. You definitely can rip right through here, that's for sure. Pretty chill. All rollers. Nice tight little turn right here. Practice their cornering. Ooh. Skid out a little bit. There's a little guy right there. He's already standing up pinching with his seat. Oh, some rhythms. Little single. Grip right through here. Ooh, no yellow single. Giant double. No, I imagine most kids just rollers to them. Shit, I think I would be scared to hit that double. Now we're back to the beginning again here. I'm taking the cheater line. That's it, man.